IPA, or the International Phonetic Alphabet. It is a special set of symbols that shows how English words really sound. It helps us pronounce words correctly, because in English, spelling doesn't always match the sound. Think of it as your guide to speaking English clearly and confidently. Today, I will show you specific consonant symbols for unique English sounds or tricky pairs. A voiceless dental fricative or the hard TH happens when the tongue lightly touches the upper teeth while the air passes through. Often difficult for learners because many languages don't have this sound. Think, think, bath, bath. A voiced dental fricative or the soft TH has the same tongue position as the hard TH, but the vocal cords vibrate. It contrasts with the voiceless TH. Mm, mm, This, this, brothers, brothers. A post-alveolar fricative or the sh sound is produced with air pushed between the tongue and the roof of the mouth, slightly back from where the S sound is made. Sh, sh, shop, shop, rush, rush. A voiced post-alveolar fricative is like the zh sound in vision or genre. J, j, measure, measure, television, television. A voiceless post-alveolar affricate begins as the t, releases into sh, forming the typical ch sound. Ch, ch, chip, chip, watch, watch. This is the velar nasal, commonly known as the ng sound, where the back of the tongue touches the soft palate. It never starts English words. It only appears in the middle or at the end. Hmm, hmm, sing, sing, king, king. It is a glottal fricative produced with open vocal cords where air simply passes through the throat. Some languages don't have this sound, so learners may drop or soften it. H, h, hat, hat. Hello, hello. It is an alveolar approximant. English R is smooth and not trilled. The tongue curls slightly back without touching the roof of the mouth. R, r, red, red, river, river. A palatal approximant is similar to a quick ye glide. The tongue moves close to the hard palate but doesn't fully block the air. Ye, ye, yellow, yellow, yes, yes. And with that, can you comment down the symbol for this sound? Ye, ye, ye. What about how about j, j, j? Good job! Now, it's your turn to speak. Can you tell me the sound of this symbol? Very good. How about this? Nice. For the last one? Fantastic. Seems like you really learned from today's lesson. See you next time. Bye!